Hi, welcome to Teacher Inspiration Station. I'm Melissa Clark. In today's video, I have an unboxing. Yes, so for those of you who don't know, I'm involved in this. It was a teacher YouTuber Valentine exchange, and Ruth over at Diary of a Mad Black Teacher organized it, and she said, you know, thinking of doing this exchange, you can sign up for it. I was about to say you can audition. Not audition, sign up for it. And it was open for a period of time, and then if you wanted to be a part of it, then you signed up. And I'm all about unboxings, I'm all about hauls, I love this stuff. And so yeah, and it came at a good time because report cards, interviews, you know, it's a busy time for teachers. So it's nice to get this little package. Now here it is. And I was waiting for this package, and the day it actually came, I kept saying to my husband, I'm expecting a package, you know? And the day it came, he told me, he was like, oh, a package came for you. And I was asking him, I was like, which country is it from? And he's like, it's from Zamunda. And if you've seen Coming to America, you know the reference. Anyways, I got my package. I'm so excited. Now I see the name on here, and Linda Herring, and I actually didn't know her I didn't know which channel she belonged to, so I had to do a bit of detective work. So I know Teach-A-Latte. Excited. So I'm gonna open this up. I'm trying not to show the address here. Hold on. This is so exciting. This could literally be a box full of ketchup packets, and I will be super excited. Like, I'm just, you know, I'm excited. Looking forward to this. Ooh, I literally just see brown paper. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's not brown paper. It's ooh, it's a bag. Hold on. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, what's that? Ooh, okay. I'm gonna chill. I need to chill. So, Jones New York signature body scrub, shower gel, body lotion, and mesh poof. I love getting this stuff because this is not stuff I typically buy. Like, I buy, you know, the soap on sale, Ivory, and things like that. So it's nice to get this little cute stuff, especially the lotions and things like that. So, love it. Oh, these are cute. Make today lovely. Oh, these little clips. I love the colors of these. Look at that. Very nice. Pink, blue, turquoise. Very nice. I like it. And I like the little pouch it comes in too. Very nice. Oh, love. Aww. And it fits with the Valentine theme. Love. Isn't that cute? That's cute. A little notebook. That's cute. I like that. Some tissue paper. I love these kinds of tissue papers, the ones that have a design on them. They just add a little something extra to a gift. So ones with patterns and things like that. So this will be put to use. Good use. Uh-oh, I hear my son coming. Happy Valentine's Day, teacher. Ooh, oh, chocolates. Yes. Dark chocolate mint squares and milk chocolate caramel squares. I have a sweet tooth. I'll enjoy those, I'm sure. Oh my goodness, there's so many. Oh, I love this. Oh, this is so pretty. This is like so up my alley. Like, I'm all about girly stuff. This pink and flowers, like, it doesn't get much girlier than this. This is cute. And I have a lot of like pens and pencils and things to put in here. This I really like. And these are socks, ladies socks, 1 pair. Fries before guys, yes, yes. That's so funny. Especially for somebody who likes food. This is so like fitting for me. Again with the girliness, the pink, it's nice. Well, this is so exciting. I just keep getting stuff in here. This is so nice. Little erasers. Let's pretend this never happened. Very sweet. I love these little pouches because you can put other stuff in here. Yeah, they're hearts on them. Again, with the theme. I see what you did there, Linda. Very nice. I need to chill. I'm at about a 10. I need to lower it down to about a 4. Hello, note cards with envelopes. Look at these envelopes. Come on. There's lipsticks on them. Isn't that cute? This is sweet. I like that. See what else I got. You really hooked me up, Linda. Really hooked me up. Tag your Manny. Hashtag pretty woman NYC. Oh, is this, what is this, nail polish? It is nail polish. See the color. I'm guessing it's red. That's what I'm guessing, red. Oh, I am way off. Wow, this is like a, what color is this? It's a purple, like a grayish purpley kind of color with a bit of white. Look at that. Pinky as well. That's pretty. I like that. That's really nice. I assumed it was red because Valentine's Day, but this is good. This is better. Because I have lots of red nail polish. All right. More. Ooh, strawberries and cream, white chocolate truffles. I so want to eat one now. I totally want to eat one right now. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Task cards, my week. Cute. This is like a, kind of animal is that? It's like a leopard or something, the print. Love it. This is all from, I think this is from Target because it's in a Target bag. And we had Target in Canada, but we got rid of it. So I'm excited whenever things from Target comes to me from the States because you guys have a lot of good stuff in the States in your Target. Sticky notes, 30 sheets each, 60 sheets total. Look at that. Anything is possible. Paper clips. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Look at this. Pink, red, yellow, white. Actually, there is no whites. That's okay though. Very pretty though. Man, this is so awesome. Page flags, 10 sheets each, 80 sheets total. Oh my goodness, look at this. So cute. Start somewhere, lovely ideas. Love it. What's this? Power pack. What's this? Ooh, charge mobile phones. Oh, this is, oh, when you charge it on the go. That's so cute. Oh, this comes in handy. This is great, like a power pack. Ooh, this is a cute one. You make my heart smile. Aw, you're making my heart smile right now, Linda. That's sweet. All right. And Snoopy. I love Snoopy. These are chocolates. Oh my goodness, I totally just bought this. Well, not exactly this. Oh no, is this from the, no it's not. Okay, So I went to the body shop and I said I need lotion because I'm very particular about the kind of lotion that I pack in my handbag, because it has to be ones like this, because the ones with that little snap lid always opens and explodes in my bag. So I love these ones that are just a twist and it's fine. It won't spill in my bag. So this is perfect. And I literally just bought lotion on the weekend. So I'm like, I need lotion for my purse. I need lotion. And I got it. But this is good because it'll come in handy. I will use it. And it is exactly the kind of lotion I buy for myself for my purse. The ones that just will not spill. And I got, ooh, Daisy Grow Kit. Oh, I've never seen anything like this. Includes everything you need. 1 growing medium pellet, 1 daisy seed packet, and 1 decorative pot. This is sweet. Oh, this is nice. And again, pink. How did you know? And this is a bath bomb. Yes. Yes. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Linda. You really did well. You got me so much nice things. Like, thank you so much. I love everything. This is really, really sweet. Really nice. Thank you very much. And thank you to Ruth for organizing this. It takes some organizational skills to partner people up and send people addresses. And thank you so much. Everything worked out well. And this was fun. And I will definitely do it again in the future. Count me in. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. And I'm actually going to, this might take me a bit of time, but I'm going to add people's videos to this video, so you can check out everyone's videos and see what we got each other for Valentine's Day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing if you like my channel. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.